Yeah, man, this is Public Report checking in, and guess what? I want to thank everybody for the support thus far. When I say thank you, I mean I highly appreciate everybody. My new family members, but just a check in on the channel, hey, welcome. You know what I mean? And thanks to be a part of my journey. All of the, you know what I mean, original people, you don't know, so I appreciate, and I can't no name, because I call too much name. All right, so guess what? This movie is sponsored by Jam Roots Graphic. You're going to see the thing right there, so. See it? Right there, so. So right there, so you see everything you need for check into. I mean, I tell you, say, when it comes down to Jam Roots Graphic, there's a lot of things going on, but go over there, go check it out. And I want to do any little business or whatever the case may be, because I want to go over there, I want to go see something I like, I want to go say, beef ball, so that's, thing are nice. When I go say to whosoever say, it was Public Report, over Public Report channel, me find this, all right? Yeah, big him up, Jam Roots Graphic. I remember the last four thing, ET, something like that, but you're going to see it right there, all right? So as I say again, this is sponsored by Jam Roots Graphic. Pick up yourself and thanks for the support thus far.
You subscribe yet?
To sleep early and you just came? Come on, man, buckle down. We have some things to do, go over. Remember, you have this thing to sort out, And then, baby girl, how you get this one around? You know this. I don't think you're focusing, Honestly, I don't think you're focusing. And one of the reasons why I don't think you're focusing, the other day your mother said to me, say, while you was in your sleep, you actually mentioned my name, but don't touch it. Or don't play with it like that. And she came at me in an aggressive manner as to say, or to imply that I was doing something wrong. Now, I would like to know, when have I ever been inappropriate with you?
Yeah, my mother don't talk like that. So I don't know where to talk about. I don't know no conversation like this. And then again, I not dream and call people name.
That's exactly what she said. And it was so shocking to me. I'm an upstanding person in the community, and to make things like this happen, and it's not good for my reputation.
Well, I don't know about that now, but then again, sometimes my head go and come to somebody. Maybe think, maybe that do it and I don't know so.
But on a serious note, I think you need to bottle down. You're improving, I see you step up from a 65, now you're gone 80. That is vast improvement. But I wanted to just continue being focused, continue taking the schoolwork seriously. Isn't it? Focus on that first and foremost, and then everything else will come after. So let's go back over this. This sentence here, so you need to construct it more better. Because if you construct it like this, you will definitely get it wrong. Read it over, gain understanding, then you break it down in your way, and then you think you can better understand it and do it. So go back over that one for me. Cool? Alright. Shanika?
You know, say you frighten me. I shot me a go, you know. What go on? Morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Me good. Alright.
So how is your daughter progress going on?
She a come on.
Yeah, you like the
Yes,
progress.
better than when time she did the year and I stress out about pick me when they travel in my school and sitting.
See.
So thank you very much.
Yeah man, I'm a part of my job to make sure say I deliver results.
And she did give you money, right?
Yeah man, I get paid and everything.
Okay.
So I have a little thing though I want to ask you about.
Uh-huh.
You see, your daughter has been coming to my house for a little bit now, and I don't know how to put it, but I don't know. Have you seen her brought home no strange looking bag recently?
What you mean?
I mean like probably she accidentally take up one bag and have it carried down to your house by any chance. I'm missing a bag. And I can't seem to find it, and I just want to just cover the tracks them as though I don't.
Patrick,
I'm
Patrick,
making an accusation.
what are you trying to say to me? Are you accusing my daughter of stealing your bag from your home or what? Just explain, go to class. For me head kind of chip. Sometimes, at certain time I hear me not have no sense. So you can't just illustrate you out properly for me, make me understand before me go get you wrong.
What me really I say is that me have one bag with some money in there and I can't find it, and there's only 2 persons coming at the house.
Blood of Jesus. So what you try to say? My daughter Susie a thief?
Jesus, I never
It will
said
never
that.
happen.
I never said that, miss.
So why you have to choose to come to me
But me have
about
to
my daughter? To
ask.
my daughter alone you teach? No. I bet you not go to the next people them house.
I am going to everybody's house. I'm going to check everybody.
Now where God love. Patrick, I no quarrel, me a quarrel. Me kind of calm down. Can you say whatever? Patrick, talk it God truth to God love. The 10 pitney or the 15 pitney them where they teach over your yard. If you go to the 15 parents or the 10 parents them house, one out of them, if a them take it, or even if my daughter take it, you feel say none of the pitney them or the parents them don't tell you say yes, me see them come home with whatever. Who you think say so honest? And a matter of fact, my daughter is not a thief. And she don't bring home any bag. No bag at all. She no carry home no bag more than the so book them. The so God Almighty book them where you see she come with, and she come home back. So you miss bag? That you try say?
I am missing a bag with a hefty amount of cash.
Me go ask her about it. What kind of bag?
It's a grey looking knapsack, and it have a lot of funds in there. It's the funds when I did plan to use and buy my vehicle.
Here.
Yes.
Jesus Christ, they not so much money.
It's over $1 million.
You're sure? So you're not misplaced it in your house?
I am positive. I've searched.
Patrick,
I don't know where I don't search.
You love hide things. Go back, go look at your seat because me sure say you're not Susie carry home your bag. Me no see that one thing me nah do. Me nah accept no stolen goods or thieving good. Thieving goods I mean yard. No thieving goods. Whether good or goods, I don't care. As long as you understand what me I say. Me nah accept my child to bring home no stolen goods from nowhere because I did not give her a grey bag.
I understand, and I wish, because you are my first stop, I wish that all of the students and parents will deal with the situation as you are handling it right now. Because me really do sit on morals, and I would be really appalled if you believe say is one of the students and when me I help out really do it.
Eh? Where say? Where just say?
Me say I would really feel bad.
Oh. Okay. Feel bad.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Say is one of the students them which I am helping out commit such an act.
Patrick, you catch me on my good mood this morning. I'm a good mood you catch me on because me not like people assume and judge kids wrongfully, especially my kids. Especially for me children them.
I understand.
Me teach my youth for no thief. Don't take when it belongs to you. It is not yours.
Good concept.
If you see something that you need and it's not yours, sorry. Susie could never dare do that. Bring home somebody stolen goods come out for yard. See me? Should have planned to go live on her own. And no police now come on my yard. I mean now lock up in no jail so you can no pick me. And no children now come bite off me ears. Me sure say I know Susie do it.
Alright, Miss Patrice. I really do
I know
appreciate
say
it.
no good for you take up for your picnic them because some of them are wicked and then lie Patrick. But me I tell you, me sure say it's not Susie. She no care unless she take you away and give somebody a ticket, but she no care come on the yard.
I
A
believe
matter
you.
of fact, me no believe say she taking no thought. So do one of the next experience them go ask them if they see them kids come home with the cars. I mean nah, see I know next picnic taking neither. Who to tell if I know all your girl where you and him did there? Me you say you and her gone back together. You did ask her if she take it?
Let us not talk about
No,
that
me
right
not say I
about
know
now.
she no come in like judge people. Me say if you ask her different from telling her that she take it. Me not judge people wrongfully because I want you judge my daughter. What I am saying is that if you ask her if she see it or if she take it up and put it down for you, or she gone with it, me no know. Me can't say she do it, but guess what? Next thing, your thieving friend when me always sit down in your yard. I'm a friend too, but you and him are more friend than me.
Who that you talking about?
We live over there, so. Look,
Is Albert
see
you
there,
talking?
no house over there, but at the house of me a chat. Dirty thief in Albert. You no know saying thief. You no know say Albert thief. Albert a old criminal for a long time. The amount of time me see when I figure bail Albert when you should have bail Albert because you and Albert are more friend than me.
But me no recall Albert doing no.
Recall?
What you saying? Albert?
You no recall. Me not recall, me don't know say Albert a thief for a long time. The amount of time. You don't know what Albert do the other day? Eh? Albert, my friend gone foreign and leave Albert in a business place. And Albert sell the things them and thief out my friend money. Yes, my friend
Jesus.
Rosie. Albert is a criminal.
I will never have him to be that character.
Character. Albert look like he has no character at all.
But I have him as such a highly trusted person.
The only character Albert have is to thief. Take one that belongs to him. So as from now, anytime I see him, I go call him thief in character.
Jesus.
His last name is thief in character.
I don't know what to believe
Yes,
right
you
about
better
now.
get that.
I don't understand. Like, he was the last person on the list, you know. I couldn't fathom thinking say Albert would have do such a thing because I hear me even suggest. You know what? Thank you.
Yeah, remember saying no, I'm busy, you know, me have evening class after school and something, so I can't do argue with you again like one time. So as school over, you know, so I have to go this and then me have things to come home and do. On the weekend, me busy too. So, you know what, like one time we stop and down and something we can go do it again. We can do it, you know, but not as often like one time, you know. So you could do it. Yeah, man, we could. Alright then, later.
Susie,
Yes, mommy.
me say, Patrick come over yard when you're gone a road. How you did there again? A class? I don't know. You did there somewhere. Because the days didn't fly so fast, I don't remember where you did there. But he come over me yard. Come and ask me, say, if me see you carry one grey bag over we yard. Me not understand him. Me I wonder if you look like a thief to him. Or if he ever watch CVM or TVJ and see you as no damn criminal. And little dirty thief in front he should have go ask. When him big fat dirty thinking Albert over there so. Maga foot Albert. He fat and he maga. Me no know him too much chicken back and roast breadfruit. Albert, me no know if I him, but my mind tell me say I him.
So me a start walk and thief bag.
I that me a saying rank, me say, me dey pa me good mood, you know. Me did in a me good mood, me dey pa me good mood, me good mood was on me. That's why me no deal with in case. Me just talk to him mild man and good and easy, you know. Cause me kinda understand. You dey come in yard, so you want to find out, but he too out of the wrong mama yard in come. Cause me daughter not thief, he out of there, you see.
But when me a left out of house, he see when me a left. And he see say no grey bag na in my hand.
You see it? And the devil tell him he come straight after me yard first. So the devil tell him say yes, go over Shanika yard, go ask her if her daughter come home with one grey bag. You know say Satan don't want to use somebody. I just so many want this up Patrick, you know. But anyway, You sleep up around here so nice, man.
Yeah, me just
And you look
done.
like you're tired. Get up a fight tough place now. Me
And
come
squeeze up
round
my body
later.
now.
Later, cause
Alright.
I just thought me did want you to know because he's too
Me
out of
still a
order.
see him.
No argue with him. Nobody
Me
this
better
him. Remember
count
say,
in days.
no, I your teacher. Me no want you go say nothing to him. Me no want you say nothing to him. Take down your hand from your side when me I talk to you. Yes, put your hand on your side. Yes. Me I train you good for you grow up in a good in the right way. You have to have manners to people and respect to elders. You understand me? Somebody I talk to you, put your hand on your side. Yes, sir. No, miss. No, ma'am. Excuse me, please. Thank you. Pardon. You understand? Yeah. Mother and daughter, tuggy. You know me love you, not sure? Alright. Lift up yourself here, Susie.
Don't know about it. You have to take it easy now, man, you know. I like a thing going for me much daily and yeah. Yes, you want. Want to get the hair done. So much to do that. I'll teach you come with me. Wait. You know Albert this. Alright, me will call you back afterwards and arrange what you want. Just send me a message. Alright? Yeah, man. Cool.
Even you know how long me I still look for you?
How comes?
But brother, about a week and I don't me no see you, me general. Me want somebody to talk to and don't know who to talk to.
How that a going?
Brother, me say, boy, me just I go hold all one drink here and say, oh, boy, me I tell you, man, my brain just gone.
How would I see him, brother? How would I see him? I was a reason.
Why you would never know how I go on, family?
Don't tell me, man. You look stressed out.
Brother, you encourage me to, you know. And me I say, oh, to be honest, it was never a bad idea, you know. Because the banking system, how it's set up in Jamaica, you know, you put your money in the bank, and you still have to pay them to keep your money, and then you have to pay them to get back your money. So it wasn't a bad idea when they tell me, say, oh, just keep the last part of it in the house. But here was strike me now, number bird, my general. They don't know, say the money go missing.
Money missing? Like how missing? Like
Watch out, man. You see the CMD when they did come link me? You see after you left?
yeah.
Come here, they sit down good and we are reasoning, you know, everything alright, you know. And then you go left, my general. You see after you left, my girlfriend forward.
Okay.
And boy, me I tell you to blood seed. My girlfriend forward and she go upstairs and I tell her, if I go on upstairs, go chill, because I'm still outside, I go and mark 2 paper.
But you know, some of trust a girl, brother, because yo, as you talk, you know, I bet you she misplaced the money. Eh?
Boy, I don't know if I misplace I want to call it, you know, my general, because me I'll search
I don't call it thief, because at the end of the day, you know what I mean?
But Albert, me I search for the money, me search hell, me search heaven, me search top, me search, but all know me can't find back my money. At $1.8 million the girl moving. You know?
Yeah, man, boy, rough. Come and say and tell me. Bump on it.
Me say me could be. Me say how could you? Imagine, are you? I walk and me say slippers them are done on the hard floor. And me say yo, me I walk to and me say me I buy a car. And me say yo, I forget a ride because more while it's stressing for you come link me.
Yo, one thing with some woman, you know, some woman dangerous, you know. And wicked, you know, they only think about themselves, you know. Because right there, someone knows how she take it. So who else?
Brother.
Who else can really?
Say, brother,
I mean?
one of the roughest things me I try to put my mind around is something, man. That's why I have to drink, you know.
And you
because
know,
me can't.
No, man, you can't drink, brother. Don't do that, man. Yo,
that never done.
Man. Brother, look, you can't be that person because I guess you know, you're not that person. You understand me? I say, so don't try to make because you lose the money. What can get back? You can't get it back, you know. You can't get it back for you lose it one time, you can't get it back.
Brother, and it's not so easy, Albert, man.
You know, say enough money, man, and whosoever have it now, you know what I mean, or see it or whatever the case may enjoy themselves and so forth. But at the end of the day, don't stress yourself, bro.
Well, Albert, it make me all think some things and I feel like I'm work all look of science, you know.
No, science, science like
yeah, man, make somebody walk back with you, man, or sitting, man, or sitting.
Yo, all of them things, man.
Why, I don't know, Albert, but I can't afford for them go the money just so, man. I feel like I want to put them, make them turn like a picnic, you see me? Start bark like a goat.
No, man. Don't worry about that part. Left that part alone. Been through.
Man, I feel like that
you've been through too much in life you want to go down with a negative view. The devil we are talking about, you know. You worship the devil.
So then why should I do something like that? Me want to see she walk like a goat.
No, man, leave the girl alone, man. Leave them alone, man. You worship the devil or you worship God. Just ease the man. Brother, everything alone, man.
I feel like if I pray, God I go take too long for answer prayer. So I feel like if I go at the local place there, make him deal with it.
No man, I'm gonna listen. It's not worth it.
It's hard to work so much money, you know.
True,
and you earn an honest bread. You know the picking of them duns, head them tough. More while me I tell you say me I mark some paper man and I say, oh God man, me sorry for them parents and everything.
Consider this as one little setback. And when you get setback in life, you have to just look forward and know, so boy, you don't make the same mistake again. You understand me? I say, trust who come in here. Because right now, I don't know what she has to tell she. And she alone come in here. She alone come in your house. You send her in your house.
You come there too, you know. But you did sit down out the door.
Exactly. Me never come. Me not come in your house like they go in your house and something.
Right, you did sit down out the door. I left you out the door. I'm going in your house so long. And you never see nobody go in there.
No, never see nobody. Me sit there wait. I'm
so
on my
that
phone.
Me a talk about man. You never see nobody go in there.
And my cousin call me. And my cousin say to me, feel like say, you know, them want to get one vehicle, you know, then change one tire for one vehicle and, you know, all them something there. So they say things set.
Well, I don't know to be honest. But I forgot to figure it out.
Yeah man, do you think man figure it out? Because yo, a long time I really live around the same because since a week now, you know, I'm just saying to myself, I just come chill up on my girlfriend, yeah.
Yeah, so you move out. Yeah, that's why I not see you.
Yeah man, I meet a little girl and things. But I forward back and I have to wash my clothes and things. So
yeah man, if you come back in my place, man, because I want somebody to talk to my brother because I don't know how else to cope through this thing, man. It's rough for my brain, my family.
Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? You see, look when I pass through, I come link you. And I see if I can even find and dig deep in that certain things.
Come help me search, man. Come help me search, man. Because 2 years better than 1, you see me?
A 4.
Yeah,
4.
Then, right.
Yeah. So,
you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Exactly. So, alright. So, how we gonna do it now? I'm gonna link you up. And I see him phone here, right?
Same phone.
And not change.
Not change.
Alright.
Not change.
I'm gonna link you, man. Because right now I'm on like a phone call. But what you really do, Pastor, though?
Brother, I take a day from school because I say, I need to clear my head and I don't think I right from my mind to teach them pick me.
See, the
thing mash me up. Boy, all that. I still do it, you know, because you don't know every income come in and you look at something and live cash and all that.
Don't stop to do the evening class because that even can, you know what I mean, push certain things faster. Patrick, big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man.
Stop stress yourself, man. You know what I mean? I like to see how say you drink and then sitting there because you laugh. A little bit of money that, you know. Most people lose out. You remember what happened to Usain Bolt? A billions him lose, you know.
Don't compare me to him. Yeah,
no, I'm just telling you about the facts. So, when you're a big man, you're a teacher, you know, you're respecting the person of the era and all these
time
things.
I lose the money, the hair all charge up out of my head. So, I don't know. All grey hair start come from my face. So, see, both not lose nothing. They both lose the money and the teeth and get prettier. So, I don't know. Face fix.
Man. Know yourself. As I say, you know, something I work out for you and things. Just left it in the Almighty. You know what I mean?
Something I forgive, you know.
Something I forgive, definitely.
Something I forgive.
As you go, I come back now.
One day thing, my boss, but did I make you know where I'm going?
Yeah, man. Respect our manners. Yes, sir.
Wait, talk.
Alright, baby, where I'm going? I organize everything for you. And then I come link you back. Alright? Yeah, no, man, I'm not can you up, man. One table can you up, man. I'm just have you like that, man. Money go forward. See? Alright. You love me? Hello? Rosie!
Yes, sir.
You see Nikki?
You know, saying God, now you're gonna look for him boyfriend.
What do you got for boyfriend? What you talking about?
I'm gonna look for him boyfriend down the road.
So the me our boyfriend?
Saying God, look for him boyfriend down the road.
Jeez, how could I really be that situation and an idea for me? My Nikki to beat, man. Oh.
How do you call her?
How long she gone?
About 10 minutes now since she
10
gone.
minutes?
Yeah.
Hey, Nikki, really do me this? No, sir. Alright, don't tell us I'm coming, so here?
No, sir.
Alright, respect. Here, Rosie.
Alright.
Bless up.
Alright.
sir. I want to talk to you about something.
What happened?
What me I get to understand is that you tell my mother say me take bag out of your house.
No, Susie, man.
Tell me
No.
about no, because exactly that my mother come to me and tell me say you say me thief. You see me I walk and thief bag?
Susie, I never said that. I
You
said
see me I walk and thief bag?
I did not see you do such a thing.
What did you say and what did you see me do then?
I said to your mother that to ask you or ask your mother if she had seen you accidentally taking up a bag outside
But for
the
your
house.
ask that and that implies say yeah,
No, but you
me
could have
accidentally take up a bag from out
but
your
you could have
house.
mistakenly taken something says your bag.
How though? Make that make sense. How though?
Susie.
Me no must know my bag different from your bag.
Susie, it is understandable. Remember say you leave here and a couple of the times you're tired and you just pick up a bag and go.
Nothing like that. Nothing like
Why
that.
you behaving like that? Look here now.
You give me
I am not
a reason to
accused.
behave like that. Of course you did.
I am sorry. I am sorry if it felt or you felt like I was implementing something or implying something. I am very sorry. It was not my intentions or it was never my intentions. You see me?
Don't say it. When you can't bother about.
Susie, I am sorry. I understand your frustration with the whole situation. Yes? I do understand. But may just ask if you just understand, say, it's just a misplacing of the whole situation and something happen and I just want to get it over.
And some happen on my name first call.
It's not you alone I had asked
My
the
name
situation.
first call. You realize that my name no start the alphabet. You know start with A, you know a S and my name first call. Something happen on my name first call. I mean I walk and thief bag.
I never said that and I would never imply that. I am very sorry.
Apology not accepted.
But can we continue, please? I really just want us to continue.
Yes, we can continue.
I am very sorry again. Here, Susie, and I promise you, you will never hear that come apart from me again. All right? I am very sorry. Trust me, it was never my intention to make you feel any which way.
Me? Just no, man. Me? What an idiot.
Susie.
Let's continue and get over with this. Because I'm not time to waste.
Where are we? We did start off at page 37 and you were supposed to do the paragraph setting for that. So sort that out and let us go forward. Good? So start off with that one.
Nikki. Why not see me go by shop yesterday and them saying up there. So, you know, whatever me have here, me not bother. Me not bother with it. I want now.
Want to talk to you, come on 5-1.
Alright, Nikki, me call you back here. So, I want to know what kind of, because normally I me come check you. So I know say I must suck me up. What you up to now?
That if you know, because I don't like people yard. You notice? I own me whole a zone. What me say me do? Own me own a zone. Me stay in my territory. I don't like people yard. But you see this a history here. Me have to come to you. But this cause the hotter road.
See, they are listening to my mash up.
Sealer. Oi, me talk to you. Left them there when you don't fix them because it's serious. No mind your police come in your yard. You better listen to me.
Come over yard.
Yours and not mine. Listen to me now. The other day, Patrick come at my doorway. You understand? As me did about to go to shop, pull the door at Patrick that. Patrick say he miss a lot of money from over in yard.
So what you say?
Just listen.
No, but it's you come over here, so again you go cry. You will say something to do with me and money. Why you do this?
You listen? Are you listening?
Talk, me listen.
You're the listener, you're not listening.
Me say talk.
Okay.
All the sun start burn me now
Okay.
since you start talk.
Yeah, man. We are black people, if you get burned in the sun. Vitamin, it good for your body. Listen how it go. Patrick say he miss a lot of money from over yard, and the reason why he come to me is to find out from me if me see, not if him see, if me see my daughter come home with one grey bag.
Your daughter take your money.
Hey, Albert, you see if you don't want me.
Yeah, ask you a question. Your daughter take your money then? Because you talk about money and you say your daughter and you miss the bag. Now your daughter do extra class enough time there, so I look over there, so and your daughter, me see her and him, I go inside. And the conversation them, I don't know me now say, but it look sound proper. You understand me I say? And that me I say.
Papa Jesus, me I beg you to give me faith. Hold me Jesus with your right hand.
Hold you Jesus,
because right now you get me ignorant. Albert, you figure out who you talk to? Albert, me know say you're a big time criminal for a long time. Big
so what
thief.
that mean?
Me tired to bail you down a police station.
One time you bail me down a police station.
A lot of time. I know you not give me back none of my money them yet. Because sometimes you not got no court and me have to go pay the fine for you. Idiot. Right now, me sit down on my yard and it a puzzle me. Me dey wonder and a ponder if you take away Patrick money.
I know me. So stop say if I.
Me never say
where
you.
You come over here so? Yeah, say if I me.
Yo,
what you say about
me
that?
never say you.
So what you say?
Me say me dey wonder and a ponder if you because me know say you're a criminal and me know say you always going here because you and my friend. Even though me and you and my friend, me know say you and my friend more than me. Me and you and my friend, but the two are no closer.
So when
and me never going in house yet. Never ever. The farthest me go, I in doorway. And the reason why me catch so close to in doorway is because me want my daughter to go in class at evening time. So me and him know nothing else.
So tell me something now.
We are neighbor but nothing else.
Shanika.
What?
Tell me this now. Why is it that I would do that such a thing to my friend? It's my friend. So you feel like I would do that to my friend?
And me, you really ask such a question? Why is it me that do such a thing to my friend?
You doubt me long time, you know. So from you
me
hear
not doubt
information.
you, Thomas. Me not doubt you. You doubt yourself. You, Thomas. You are doubtful, Thomas. Dirty Albert, your name doubtful Thomas for a long time because you doubt yourself. That's why you feel say. That's why you feel say you can't get a proper job and top thief and grown and a broke people.
I don't thief.
They gonna charge you for last name, burglar bar, criminal, everything that's bad. Your name in a government system. You're in the file, up in the system, way up in a government computer. You're there. Me sorry for you. Oi, come out of wish you had. And that you feel do. You see if they're billing black and in the shape, me push you over there. So. Because first of all, from me just come to you, they make you know say. Me suspect you say you're a thief and you go over there so go thief. Although me know say you're a professional, you a big old professional thief for a long time.
Are you a professional thief?
Eh? You say if I never want thing on the black then in the shape,
leave me yard.
Push you over there.
Leave me yard.
Leave your yard from me come yard. To you. You try to disrespect me.
Me say, try disrespect.
If I'm a daughter thief, you thief. Hey, my daughter can't thief.
I'm not.
And she will never thief. You see you? I don't trust you, but you see Patrick a idiot.
What you touch me for?
Patrick a idiot.
What you touch me for?
If although me not too in a Patrick, me like him as my friend and as my daughter, evening class teacher. Nothing else but me I tell you, if I want me like a Patrick man, me I got a hobby man for you. And tie and sell little dirty nastiness. Because you're too wicked, boy. Look how Patrick is. Me might hire your backside, I might have slap in your class. Who you talk to me?
Hey, come on to me.
I mean, talk to?
Call police for you.
Call police for me and see who they lock up today.
Yo, come on to me, the man. Just come on to me, small as leave.
Oi, call police for me and see who they lock up. Your name don't have station no much time.
Go on and leave, man. Go on and are your house then broke? Are your things then loose?
I'm in neighbor house then
yeah,
broke.
Although
you're my neighbor.
You take up everything. Go on, man, and leave me alone, man. And come out of my business.
Okay, just so you look like a chew me they talk and me they think right. Are you thief Patrick money?
When you send me thief Patrick money?
Are you thief man money?
I don't do nothing like that. What you talk about?
Right now your name down a station 1 million times. You figure out who bail you?
One time you bail me and I talk foolish.
The amount of time you thief, you
defamation of character.
Don't talk when me attack, you know, say foolishness attack.
Yeah.
Don't try and so. If I'm like a Patrick, me bust up your face.
Come out of me yard! Come out of me yard!
Come out of wish.
I soon give you a higher hair. Come out of me yard!
Give who one higher.
Come out of me yard!
If I'm like, shut up. If I'm like a Patrick, me obia every year pan your front. Obia? Every year when I drop off of your front, you're too damn thief, you're top thief.
Come out of me yard, I see you. That's why you're not a good friend. You're a dirty neighbor, you're dirty people. Accusation.
How about Pacha? How are you doing, brother? Yes. I'm there, man. A couple of days now, I see how I go on. You know, so I take a little time off to go relax my little brain, my brother. Stress out a little bit, you know. You must hear what go on. Me understand. Why me understand, brother? Because if you miss money, I don't want a normal thing. Brother. So me understand, brother. Me understand. Me just know, say.
But we miss so much money. A 1.8 million.
Jesus Christ, me yes, you lose money, but me name was say as much. Me name was say as much, brother. God no.
I don't know. I'm even up to now. I don't have a clue as to who really take out the money.
But brother, how you feel have so much money in your hand?
Well, that is another story. You know, say.
But you carry a bank, brother.
Oh Jesus. Ah God, you know, say I want foolish advice. Me go take and listen, and boy, it cost me dearly.
Boy, no, that you tell me how much you lose. Just cross my mind. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy, the man.
My brother in talk, we live next door there.
Yeah, Albert. Me say man buy new car and me the other wonder say how we get money from buy car. Cause me know say he no love work. The wonder if I scamming or him probably meet one white girl or something. But now that you tell me say your money missing.
What is it? Brand new car, boy?
Yeah, now that you tell me say me don't know if a brand new or a used or whatever, but they look good. So now that you tell me say your money missing. Me I wonder.
But me no, sir, me not think so. Why did I do me that? No, sir.
Alright, me never, alright, well, me know why you start free still, you know, me just wanna say. You see me? Me just say.
No, sir, I don't think so, Albert, did I do such a thing.
Alright, well, me just still have to come yell you up and look for you still, cause...
Man, appreciate it, man.
Yeah, cause you don't know me not see a school and sitting and... Everybody me ask, they not really give me no full disclosure, I nothing still only. I say, boy, you lose a piece of money, you get shake up over it, you see me? Me ask you and nobody not give me no full disclosure. Everybody's tight-lipped. You know what I said? They just say you lose some money, you shake up. So, I just one of them things. But you report it though?
Yeah, man, I reported it, man, and everything. So, it's in the investigators and...
Alright, so I hope sitting pop up still. But you know what to make with this, so... Okay. Alright, so go and hold them, Zane.
Respect yourself, yeah? Albert, by car.
Serve! Serve!
Hello.
One chick.
The bartender there, bartender some come.
Albert.
What are this?
Wait there, hold on there. NSC, red label, and white rum. No, sir. So at this, you take your money and they do.
Take which money? Where that?
No wonder why your woman have feel left a little dirty backside.
Something wrong.
Look how your clothes look dirty. Like you're not even beat from another. Lick me with it. Lick me with it.
Everywhere we go, you have a line with a blinking
Albert,
backside.
You're drunk. Albert, you're drunk.
I'm not drunk, I'm rich. You're
rich.
I'm rich, I'm not drunk. I enjoy myself. I can't enjoy myself. I work hard, you know.
Now what takes me?
I don't know what I'm here to talk about. I'm going to talk about with this.
Jesus Christ. No, sir. This is serious.
Hey, what's my bike here?
Hold on there. Me I text somebody first. Hold on. This won't talk to you. Hold on. See, you drink too much. You're drunk.
Don't tell me I'm drunk.
You can't control yourself, Albert. Oh, what text me?
Let me say what text you. Who care what text you? Eh? The people like I don't know make it in their life. You can't make it.
I'm hearing
because we're willing to do certain things in their life. You understand? If you do certain things in life, you're not going to make it. You understand me? I say?
It's alright. Now worry yourself.
Worry myself? I'm not worry myself. I'm not worry myself. I'm rich. I have money.
I know you waste money.
I waste money. When you say waste money, you talk about. I enjoy myself. One life to live. Or two life you have? You have spare life around there? Eh? Something wrong with your life. You see my new car, boy?
What you say?
You see my new car. something wrong with this?
What you just say?
Me ask if something wrong with the ears. Me buy a new car, brand spanking new.
Where you get money from, Albert?
Who say me get money from?
Me know say you're a thief every minute you walk on broke people place. Where you get money
Where
from?
me get money from?
Albert, you don't have no money for buy car. You too lie. You can buy car?
Sometimes I get gifts in life, you have to just go and take it.
Watch out. Albert Jung still in the laugh with himself. Maybe he all mad. The second floor or first floor if you're right
it's when money put on.
10th floor.
It's when money put on. You have to just know when I'm going to take
Albert, so you drink off this?
I'm going to drink off this.
Me backside all NOC. Watch out. No, Albert, you're going too bad now.
Oh, yeah, take a minute.
Albert.
I want to. You're back at police? Look at the back there. If it's money, can't see the back there.
So much money.
So much money.
You know how much you want NSC? You really a waste money.
But I go sell them money.
Why you not taking your mind, you pitney them and send them at school?
We never get no pitney. People pitney me.
Right, Albert get 7 pitney and say no have no pitney.
I may never get one tape, girl. One tape. But right now, I'm going to take care of
them. So my name, girl, and I remember my name? In junk for you. Jesus Christ, me sorry for you.
In junk for you. Stop calling me drums, I'm rich.
You're not junk, you're rich. So, how when you win lotto?
Win lotto, I say sometimes some things they put on, you have to know when to take it.
Oh. What you mean? Sometimes when some things put on, you have to
what you mean? That's what I'm telling you.
it.
Don't worry about it. Bartender. Buckling done long time now.
Albert, where you get money from by car?
Where you coming from?
You
come to contact me?
No, me want chips and me frightened.
So the chips and go where you go?
But me never know say
you come kill me vibes, me there bar try and drive me look alive, you come contact about.
Albert,
where you get money from?
Where you get money from to buy car?
Take money put on and me take money, simple as that. And me get a little luck.
Okay.
Or you want to look like my luck? You can't get my luck, you're looking like me.
No, come in a thief like you. I don't want lucky like you.
I'm not thief, you did just take up it.
Jesus
Thief when you're running and sorry.
So how for place, who for shop you broke or who for house?
Who for shop you broke or who for house?
So where you get the money from? And the road you find it from? You see money put on
your ask us first question for. Who you be? You're police?
No, but me your friend.
No, you
you know you can't tell me anything.
Tell you,
tell nobody.
No matter tell anything, tell anybody. Because all me I tell you is me are rich right now, I'm gonna live the life. Yes, sir. Get a trip and go on.
Know yourself. Just see things put on your
bartender.
It's
my luck, I want you.
Your luck. I want to look like you.
Something wrong with you?
Me, look at who text me.
Text you? Friend come up on your phone, I want your phone.
You're not business about that. My phone.
Come out of shop, leave me alone. Leave me zone alone. You buying drink? You drink rum? Where you there buying a drink rum? That's the first thing.
You don't buy one chips.
Chips to what? Chips to what?
Where bartender there?
I don't care where's the bartender. Bartender that you know. Step away, man. Rotted, man. You just kill my vibes when me there in my yard. You come check me and come talk bullshit. Yes, just leave me alone.
Albert, you know, say you're a professional thief, but you just see things put on and you take it, you're a criminal. I want the police then lock you up.
No,
anybody money you thief, they shall lock you up. You're a wicked. It's so hot now. Patrick!
Hello. You don't have to be calling out my name like that. I'm not inside.
No long me come and sit up in the sun and call you, I never know see you in the sun hot man. I can't go over the sun and shade him and talk to you a little bit.
Alright.
The sun hot.
What is it now, Shanika?
Patrick, you hear who teach your money?
No.
So you look so. How? Are you stress you what?
How is it that you want me to be? Have a pleasant smile on my face when
No,
how
me
much
never
a
say if
million
you have no
missing?
pleasant smile. Me want to know if you find out who thief your money. Because remember, say you come on me yard and come to ask me, say, if me see my daughter carry one grey bag over there. True, because my daughter come at your evening class. If you say my daughter thief
And
your
I
money.
apologize about that. So why is it that you're coming to me again with the same story? Let it go now, please.
What you mean me feel let it go? Me not let it go because I come like a style, you come to style my daughter. And look here, you can't sell a styler. And if you come about my daughter, you come about me. So you see next time you come me yard, you call me phone because you have my number. Don't just walk up so. If me set Rex for you and a bad dog, you will name off your face. Don't do it again. Anyway, me dey go over the bar over there so. Eh? Not so too long me go over there so. You don't know a bar over Coolitown over there
What
so.
does that have to do with anything,
What you mean
Shanika?
what that have to do with anything? You better shut your dirty stinking mouth and stop chat. That me they tell you, cause right now I feel like we style you, cause you come on me gate and come style me. Right on me doorway, you out there, me go over a bar over there so if you go buy one chips. Guess who me see in there? Your big hot friend, when named Albert. Albert drunk. Drunk, Albert, drunk like a battle, and the holler out how easy things put on and he take it. Albert, thief your money if you never know. Next time, don't come on me yard, come judge me daughter like that. And who to tell if you go on nobody else yard, go ask them if they daughter.
I did go to several other houses
Me
for your
can't prove that.
information. But then why? But I don't understand. You come to tell me something and then you strain away
No,
from the
because
fact.
me not straight. Me want to forget if in your brain. Say next time, you know, just walk up on me and come say things to me then kind of way. Then me feel hurt. And my daughter, don't do it.
And me apologize. What else you want me to do?
When you apologize? When?
Jesus
I shouldn't
Christ.
tell you nothing. Right now, Albert thief your money, in drunk like a bat and in buy car. And that if you know. If you think I lie, me then tell.
What you say? Hold on it.
Me
You
not.
have proof of what you say now?
Me have proof. You can't tell me nothing. You think me idea true? Me know say Albert a liar when he sober and we say no, see so. Me record the drunk rock. Me record it. Me look for it. Wait. Yes, me have proof.
So wrong with your life? Is it my new car, man?
What you say?
Yes, my new car. I am
What you just say?
May I ask you something wrong with the ace? May I buy a new car, brand spanking new.
Where you get money from, Albert?
Who say me get money from?
Me know say you're a thief every minute you walk on broke people place. Where you get money from?
Me get money from?
Albert, you don't have no money for buy car. Don't lie. You can buy car.
Sometimes I get gifts in life, you have to just go and take it.
Watch out. Albert Junk still in the law for himself. Maybe he's all mad. The second floor and first floor here right there.
There's money for them.
10th floor.
There's money for them. Yeah, we don't know when I'm going to take it.
Albert, say a drink of this.
I'm not going to drink of this.
Me backside all NOC. Watch out. No, Albert, you're going to bad now.
NOC?
Albert,
You're back at police?
so much money.
So much money.
You know what you want NOC? You're really a waste of money.
No, just listen.
Take your mind, you pick them and send them to school.
No, listen.
You're right, Albert, get 7 picnic and say no, I have no picnic.
I'm never get one table, girl. One table. But right now, I'm going to take care of
it. So my name, girl, and I remember my name. In junk for you. Jesus Christ, I'm sorry for you.
In junk for you. Stop calling me junk, I'm rich.
You're not junk, you're rich. So, I win a win letter.
Sometimes some things they put on, you have to know when to take it.
Oh. What do you mean?
Me don't want to hear nothing more. Me don't want to hear nothing more. Me don't want to hear nothing more. Everything, Chris. You wait, send me that voice note there. Send me that voice. Everything, Chris. Y'all go hear about it. Here. Y'all go hear about it.
You're not even say thank you. You just walk off, so. Gone on me yard.
Yeah, what kind of urgency? What kind of urgency show up on?
Albert, how long now me know you?
Over 10 years now.
Over 10 years.
We are a good friend, my real friend.
Why, Albert? We are grow from far, man. I'm going to tell you, say one of the wickedest things you see a man can hate. It's a bad mind. It's a wicked. But you see one sitting named thief.
What you talking about?
Boy, me I tell you, Albert, them boy. I want a wicked piece of sitting in, brother.
But Patrick, wait. How are you going? You find out how to take your money? Eh?
I did just that, you know. Do you know, say? One birdie come tell me something last night.
Say what?
You are the one with thief the money.
No.
Take it and buy car. My money, hard earning money.
Who tell you that? No. Who tell you the fool she said about birdie?
Who tell me that? Brother, Albert, why you so wicked? Albert, why you so wicked? Albert?
I know me.
Yes, sir.
Help!
Money and buy car. You think that's what
I think I get more time on this one.
Me. They ain't gonna charge you for last name, burglar bar, criminal, everything that's bad. Your name in a government system. You're in the file, up in the system, way up in a government computer. You're there. Me sorry for you. Oh, come out of shit. And that you feel do. You see if they're billing black and they shit, me push you over there. So. Because first of all, from me just come to you, they make you know, say, me suspect you say you're a thief and you go over there so go thief, although me know say you're a professional, you a big old professional thief for a long time.
Are you a professional thief and me?
What me thief from you? Come out of shit.
A long time you give a higher wound.
No, higher wound. Me go tell Patrick. You know, the last one. You too fool and then Javi they follow you there. The last one. 1 minute now. Last. Walk away. Walk away.
Go.
Me say it and walk away.
Ready? Whatever. Same thing, man. Same thing.
You thief me money. My money, hard earning money.
Who tell you that? No. Who tell you the fool she said about birdie?
Who tell me that? Brother, Albert, why you so wicked? Albert, why you so wicked? Albert?
I know me.
Why you so piece of man?
I know me.
Yes, sir. Why you so wicked?
I know me, man.
What you mean by another?
You subscribe yet?